Good morning, student. My name is Swati Sharma. Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. Jai Swaminarayan. Today's date is 7th July, and our chapter is running out is data handling, class 7th maths. Okay, in data handling chapter we have completed in our last video exercise 3.3. I hope you are completed exercise 3.3 in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, told me in WhatsApp. Okay, but in data handling in this chapter we have learned about data. What is data? Collection of information is called data. What is primary data? Data, when data is collected direct from the source, is called primary data. What is secondary data? Data is collected from other things, suppose TV, newspaper, or Google. Okay, it's called secondary data. Understand? What do you mean by range of the data? Highest value minus lowest value is called range of the data. What do you mean arithmetic mean? And arithmetic mean means sum of all observation upon total number of observation is called arithmetic mean. What is median? When data values are arranged from the smallest to the greatest in order, the central value is called median. Okay, the most common value is in a data is the mode of the data. Most common value is called mode of the data. Understand? Now we have we learn in this chapter different organized data. Suppose pictograph, telemark, tabular form, and bar graph. How to denote bar graph and how to read the bar graph we learn in this chapter. Okay, in our last video we have learned about how to read the bar graph and how to draw a bar graph, and when constructing a bar graph, you must follow these rules. The graph should always have a title. The x-axis and y-axis should be labeled as to what they represent. Scale used should be mentioned. All bars should be of the same width. Space between the bars should be of the same width. Understand? Now we have learned about chance and probability, and I think you have completed exercise 3.3 on your notebook. Now we have going ahead, and our new topic is chance and probability. What do you mean by chance? Do you listen this word chance? Yes, I think, because in our daily life we usually use the chance, or we use yes, it is happen, और हाँ ऐसा हो सकता है. What do you mean by हो सकता है? Means it will be happen, or it is chance to be happen. Okay, means it's not compulsorily. Okay, in our daily life, when we are not sure of happening an event, we use the word chance or probably. Okay, probably today will be a hot day. Probably India may win the cricket match. Probably chance of his getting distinction are bright. Okay, and so on. Okay, now, and the sun coming up from the west, and growing to 3-meter height, and so on. There is so many chance that it's happening or not happening. Okay, so first of all, let us take one example. You know coin. Okay, you all are know coin, and all are having a coin of 1 rupees or 2 rupees. Okay, and see, in this coin 2 faces are there. One is head and another one is tail. Okay, and if you go for playing cricket match or playing any game, you have do with toss. You are doing na? You are doing toss. Then what is coming and what outcomes you need? Always it is not same. Okay, so see here, you will find that the observations show no clear pattern in the table below. Means you have to do one thing, make a table this type: numbers, outcomes, numbers, outcomes. Means you have to toss a coin about 25 or 30 times. Okay, and now write down outcomes, its head or its tail. Okay, now understand one thing, it is the chance it become a head or it become a tail. So let's start with these things. When you toss a coin either land a head or a tail. Only two possibilities are there. Okay, possibilities are head or possibility of tail. ओके, हेड और टेल, या तो वहाँ पर हेड आएगा या वहाँ पर क्या आएगा, टेल. ओके, मीन्स देयर इज टू पॉसिबिलिटी. हेड मीन्स if I will told you what is the probability for landing head, so you can tell me yes it's a one way, means 1/2. Okay, then what is the numerator? Numerator is one way, or what is the denominator? All possibility. In this case, all possibility means either head or either tail. Okay, there is only two possibility are there, either head or either tail. Understand? Now, so it is 1/2. Okay, means 0.5. Understand? Possibility is of head is 1/2 and possibility of tail is again 1/2. Okay, remember this thing, numerator is the one way and denominator is all possibility. Okay, what is possibility of tail? Tail is it is also 1/2, means if it become head or if it become tail. Okay, only in these two only one is come. Okay, so outcomes we will find outcomes is only one. So this type of event is called equally likely because both are equally likely. Understand? And probability of event is number of way an event come occur upon total number of possible outcome. Probability of an event is equal to number of way of event and occur upon total number of possible outcome. If we have 10 throw, then what we 1 coin 10 times. Okay, now 5 head and 5 tail, is it not always true? Then 6 head and 4 tail, it's not true. And anything will be possible, 9 head 9 tail or 10 all 10 is tail. Okay, if repeated, then again approximate value means some same number of head and tail is not possible. Okay, if you do it 1000 time or 1 lakh time, it is not possible to same outcomes. Okay, taking one more example, if there is 7 numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, if what is the probability choose one number and one odd number? See here only 4 odd number are there, 1 3 5 and 7. Okay, so total how many odd number are there? Only 4 odd number are there, means 1 3 5 and 7. Okay, total 4. That's why the probability is 4/7. Okay, so probability of odd number is 4/7 and probability of even number How many even number are there? 1, 2 and 3. So probability of even number is 3 by 7, means total okay, total probability is 7 and number of probability is 3. Okay, understand? Now, so this type of probability is not equally likely, and if I told you probability of coming 8 is 0, because there is only 7 number are there. Okay, so it is 0 by 7. Understand? Or it is 0. Understand? That means impossible probability. Probability of natural number, these all are natural numbers, so probability of natural number is 7 by 7, means okay, total probability हो गई 7 by 7, that means 1. Understand? Okay, so we can tell us what is probability and chance. What is chance and probability? What do you mean by probability? Probability is thus the measure of chance of an event happening. Okay, probability is thus the measure of chance of an event happening. If we consider the selection of an event or happening, then the probability of this event or happening is number of ways this event can happen divided by total number of possible outcomes. Number of this event can happen upon total number of possible outcomes. Understand? What do you mean by probability? Or you can say that the probability of an event is the ratio of number of favorable outcomes of the number of total outcomes. Okay, number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. Okay, possible outcomes of an experiment. If you tossing a coin, if we toss a coin and let it fall freely on the ground, it will rest on the ground with one of its face upward. It will show either head or tail. Thus the possible outcome are head or tail, that is H, T. Okay, and you can tell the, if I ask you what is possibility of outcome is event is head, then you can tell 1 by 2. Okay, tossing 2 coins, if we toss 2 coins separately, then what is the outcomes? Outcomes is head tail, tail head, or tail tail. Okay, so it is the possible outcomes for if we toss 2 coins. Okay, and one more thing, you have to know the probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. Probability of an impossible event is 0 and probability of an possible event which is certain is 1. Means probability, maximum probability of an event is 1 and minimum probability of an event is 0. Understand? Or you can say that probability is the measure of the chance of an event happening. For sure event, probability is 1, and for impossible event, probability is 0. For other event, probability lies between 0 and 1. Okay. Sure event, probability is 1. Impossible event, probability is 0. And for other event, probability lies between 0 and 1. Understand? Now let's do exercise 3.4. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. You are older today than yesterday. You are older today than yesterday. It is true or false? It's certain, impossible, or happen. Obviously it's certain or certain to happen. Okay. A toss coin will land heads up. Can happen but not certain. It can happen but it's not possible कि only tail ही आए, head ही आए. Okay. A dice when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. It is possible if a die toss shall land up with 8 on top. It's impossible. Okay. Now the next traffic light seen will be green. can be happen but not certain. Okay, tomorrow will be a cloudy day, can be happen not certain. There are 6 marble in a box with number from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. What is the probability of drawing marble with number 2? Total number is 6. 1 to 6 number are there, and what is the probability to drawing 2? It is 1 by 6. What is the probability of drawing marble with number 5? It is also 1 by 6, because 5 is only one time. Okay, a coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. What is the probability that your team will start? So a coin, how many face are of coin is head and tail, so it is 1 by 2. Okay, now this chapter is over and we have discussed about data, mode, mean, median and mode of data, and probability of data. Okay, double bar graph and double bar graph, and situation will be happen or certain to happen or not happen or impossible. We have learned about this in this chapter. Okay, have a good day.